Hello, my name is Gabriel Royal, and I am a cellist. And I'm from Oklahoma originally, spent some time in New York City, played in the subways, and now I'm touring, so, while teaching school. And can't wait to play some cello for you. How does a cello work? That is a good question. Well, it's made of wood, steel, and this body actually works as an amphitheater. It's hollow inside and the F-holes work as speakers, so the sound is projected out. Next, you have the strings, which when you pluck, they vibrate. You can actually even see it. If I pluck it, and the vibration also happens in a different fashion with the bow, because there are microfibers on here. It's horsehair, and they actually grip and cause tension on the string, which sounds like this. And how our vocal cords work. It's a lot like strings in that there are vibrations going on in our vocal cords. The tighter we make them, the higher the pitch is, the looser they are, the lower they are. And as air pushes through them, that's where the magic happens. And how the strings work, specifically length. These are all the same length, but their width is different, which is what gives them different sounds, different depth of sound, higher or lower. So if it's open, normal A, one finger down, getting higher the shorter it gets. At this point, we've got a harmonic, which exists because of how we've divided the string. And now to talk about the width of the string. Depending on how thick the string is, it has a higher pitch. So over here, the A string, thinnest, also highest. D string, lower. G string, lower. C is the thickest, and it is the lowest tone. And speaking of tuning the instrument, specifically, adding tension to the string creates a higher pitch. So, with my A string, highest without extra, let's see what it sounds like when we release the tension. Adding tension, releasing tension, and back. Let's hope we don't break it. A little out of tune, but good. All right, so to combine all these aspects, we have tension, width, and length of the string. The thickness of the string adds to the sound. Where I divide the string tells me what note I'm on, but nothing can tell me what to play. So as I'm playing, look into this. See if you can see where I'm placing my fingers. Is the sound getting higher? Is the sound getting lower? Is it intensified depending on how I use my bow? If I'm plucking. So, enjoy. I'm about to play my mother's favorite track. It's G major suite, not box. I wrote this one myself. It's been a long time to find you. Now that I got you right here, tell me you love me like I do. Let's just make one thing this clear. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. time to be young. In the days when the spring is sprung, for these are the times of our life. Behold, with a seeing eye, oh, oh, oh. Ooh, dum, bum, bum. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Hey guys, thank you for listening. Once again, my name is Gabriel Royal. This is my trusty cello, and I hope you learned something.